All right, Julie got the bird. We do rinse our bird. You don't have to rinse your bird off, but we usually do it in the
laundry room sink.
Yeah, we do it in the laundry room sink, so you're not spreading a bunch of...
Contaminate in the kitchen and making a mess up there.
Yeah, so this down here is easier to bleach up and then just less mess.
Just try to keep everything, you know.
So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give Julie some of this seasoning, and this is the seasoning. This is made Price Cutters. This is a Memphis-style barbecue rub. We're going to use this on the inside and the outside.
Good for chicken, turkey.
Yeah, so I'm going to give Julie some in her hand, and she's going to put it on the inside of the bird. She's just going to rub it all around on the inside, because, you know, we want that juice to be everywhere, not just on the outside, but inside and outside.
We're just going to rub a little olive oil on it on the outside, and then that will help our seasoning stick to it. You can do butter also.
All right, we're using a Creole style butter here, and she's going to inject this inside the breast, legs, thighs, wherever she can. We want to give this thing a good shake, and we're going to blow this bird up.
You got it on?
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
All right, we got all the, as you've seen, we put a little olive oil. We probably should have waited until this time to put the olive oil, but it still looks good. Well, there's a little bit of butter on the outside of it. Julie's going to rub that around, and I'm going to give her this seasoning. The same seasoning we rubbed on the inside, she's going to put it on the outside. And we're going to get this thing coated really good with this seasoning. A nice, good layer of that seasoning all over it.
Hopefully, the olive oil helps it stick, okay. I don't know.
Now, I actually have the deep fryer, the oil deep fryer for a turkey, but we're not using that this year, but I did take the piece that goes in the bottom. You can see Julie and I bent these. This is so we can get our turkey out of the basket.
It'll fit in the Big Easy, yeah.
Yeah, it'll fit in the Big Easy.
We could still use it in the deep fryer also.
Yeah. So what we're going to do, we're going to shove this guy right down through here, right through the neck.
Oh my gosh, that thing is heavy. Oh, wait a second. There it goes. Oh.
You got it, Mama.
All right, so. All right.
Good to go, eh?
Yes.
I think so. We'll try it here. We'll get her right down in the basket.
Uh-oh, you're stuck. Let me help you try to guide it down in there. Oop, oh, wait.
Looks good.
All right, so
All right, we gotta go get it in the fryer. All right, our bird is all hooked up. Got the thermometer in there, and that little thing that we took out of the other deep fryer, which that was the oil deep fryer for the bird, it worked in there pretty good, and the lid sits right down on top of there just fine. So now it's a waiting game. We're going to bring this bird breast up to about 165 degrees. Okay, now our bird has been in for a couple of hours now, and we're at 153 degrees. See if we can get that on video. Right there, 153. We get to 155, we're going to be putting the lid on it. And what that lid's going to do is hold the heat in and give us a really nice crispy shell to the outside of that turkey. Now, it looks pretty crispy now, but it should have a really nice crispy base to it when it's done. Boy, does that look good. Okay, we're just 1 degree over, so we're going to go ahead and put this lid on here. And it was pretty cool because that lid fit even with the other piece that came off the deep fryer. So we'll be able to pull that bird out of there. All we got to do is get to 165 on our thermometer, and we're pulling that bird out. We're going to let it rest. Okay, our bird has made it to 165. We're going to go ahead and pop it out of here. Can you carry that thing like that?
Not like that. I can carry it like this though.
Okay. You got it? I'll get the door. Let me turn this guy off.
I'm
Man.
giving them a 360 view.
Oh man, that thing looks good. Let's get it in there on the table.
Oh, sit stop.
You got it?
Oh boy.
Okay, get that to the sink.
It's hot, Kevin.
Here, I'll take it.
Sheesh, give it to me. I was trying not to drip it everywhere.
Got that on camera.
Yeah, you all give me something.
Now we go lay it on its side. And we'll have to, you know, sometimes I just don't realize how hot things are with my fingers.
Yeah, his fingers are like freaking leather. It's like, damn, that's
Wait a
hot.
minute, it's stuck here.
Smells good.
Okay, got it?
Here, you need something? What do you need? Yeah, watch Haley.
Smack her in the head with it.
Is it stuck?
Hold on. Here.
There we go. You got it?
Yeah, like that.
Talk about how hot.
Look at that bird. Woo, that's nice.
Just one in the sink here.
Now we're gonna let that guy just sit down there, and we're gonna let it rest a little while, and then we'll see what she looks like.
Do you want some foil?
When we get
Should
it
I cover
cut.
up
Yeah, you can throw a little foil on it.
just to keep it kind of warm.
Look at that juicy
Just let it
bird.
rest for about 10, 15 minutes, something like that.
I can't wait. We only took it to 165, so we don't want to overcook it because then we're going to have a dry old piece of meat, and we don't want that. You see how that's splitting? Look how nice that looks. Only one good bird. Okay, let's see what this bird's going to look like now. Oh my, look at that. Look at the steam rolling out of that bad boy. It's still pretty hot. It's been sitting there about 10 minutes. Looks pretty good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take, I'm just gonna carve off one of the breasts and chop it up. And I'll show you how I'll do this. You just take your knife and go right down that center right there, and then you just follow. Look at this, oh my God. We're gonna follow that breast right down around there, inside. That's super hot, man, is that super hot?
Looks moist. Juicy
Look
inside.
look at the moisture in this thing. Okay, we're gonna just keep following this right down through here like that. And then we're gonna cut down this side right here. And we're gonna pull this piece of breast right out of here.
Set that on. Or you just setting it on here.
I'm just gonna set it right on that plate if I can here. So I'll slide the bird this way. And pull this big hunk of breast out of here. All right, now that we got the breast laid out here, we're gonna cut against the grain. Now the breast meat will go this direction, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it this direction. That way it'll be against the grain. And you just continue doing this. Each one of your breasts. Look at this, let's watch this. Look at the juice.
Oh, that's your thing.
Oh, look at the juice in there.
Mine.
Man, that looks good. Let's get this guy finished up here. We'll do this real quick. We are starving, Marvin. Look at that. Now, let's say you want a leg off this guy. Just take that leg, pull it up, follow that down, right to the joint, cut it right off. Here we go, we got a nice leg. If somebody wants a leg, I usually don't carve the whole turkey up because guess what? We're probably not gonna eat this whole turkey. So we'll take a piece of wing off in case one of the kids or somebody wants a wing, and we'll just continue cutting it off. But Look at that nice turkey. That's more than enough for us right now. So I would like to tell everybody, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Hold on, wait a minute. Who wants to taste it?
You can.
Julie?
No, good.
Julie?
Oh.
Come on.
Is it hot?
No.
Okay.
Got a good taste?
It's really moist.
Really moist, Dan. Look at that. I can't believe how much juice is in it. And there's no pink, no nothing. 165. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, and that's the bird you're gonna have right there.
Moist. Definitely moist. That's probably from all that
I got a try piece. I can't let it go. Now you can keep cutting on this. Take all these little pieces.
Okay, Kevin, watch out.
Oh, that's so good.